Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear student grade 6? Our lesson today, guys, equations with more than one operation. In your math book, page number 841. Question number 4, solve each equation. Question number 4, we have x over 7 minus 3 equal 4. Question number 4, guys, we have an equation with left-hand side with the right-hand side. The first step, guys, we need to add the inverse operation of subtract. So what is the inverse operation of subtract? So it is addition. So we need to add positive 3 in left-hand side and positive 3 in right-hand side. So we have x over 7 minus 3 plus 3 equal 4 plus 3. We add plus 3 or positive 3 in right-hand side and a left-hand side in the same time. So when we have a negative 3 plus 3, so it's equal 0, cancel each other. So we have a left-hand side x over 7, and the right-hand side we have 4 plus 3, so it's equal 7. We have x over 7 equal 7. So what is the inverse operation of divide? X over 7, guys, mean x divided by 7. So the inverse operation of divide is multiply. So we need multiply in left-hand side and right-hand side multiply by 7. Then we cancel 7 with 7 because 7 divided by 7 equal 1. So on left-hand side we have x. In right-hand side we have 7 multiplied by 7 equal 49. Question number 5. We have 5b minus 7 equal 13. So the inverse operation of minus, so it's add. So we need to add 7 in left-hand side and add 7 in right-hand side at the same time. So we have 5b minus 7 plus 7 equal 13 plus 7. So left-hand side we have a negative 7 plus 7, so it's equal 0, cancel each other. So we have 5b equal 13 plus 7, so it's equal 20. 5b, guys, mean 5 multiplied by b. So what is the inverse operation of multiply? So it's divide. So we need to divide left-hand side and right-hand side divided by 5. So 5b divided by 5 equal to 20 divided by 5. So we cancel 5 with 5 because 5 divided by 5 equal 1. So on left-hand side we have a b. In the right-hand side we have 20 divided by 5 equal 4. Question number 6, s over 4 plus 3 equal 9. So we need to add negative 3 in right-hand side and add negative 3 in left-hand side. So we have s over 4 plus 3 minus 3 equal 9 minus 3. So we cancel 3 with 3 because it equals 0, cancel each other. In left-hand side we have s over 4, in right-hand side we have 9 minus 3 equal 6. S over 4 means is divided by 4. So we need to multiply left-hand side and right-hand side multiply by 4. So we have 4 multiplied by s over 4 equals 6 multiplied by 4. So 4 divided by 4, so it's equal 1, cancel each other. So on left-hand side we have a s, and right-hand side we have 6 multiplied by 4 equal 24. Question number 7, 24 plus 12n equals 60. So we need to add the negative 24 in left-hand side, negative 24 in right-hand side. Then we have negative 24 plus 24 equal 12n equals 60 minus 24. So in left-hand side we have a negative 24 plus 24. So positive with negative cancel each other equals 0. So we have 12n equals 60 minus 24 equal 36. 12n, it means 12 multiplied by n. So we need to divide it by 12 in left-hand side, divided by 12 in right-hand side. So we cancel 12 divided by 12 equal 1. So cancel 12 with 12. So we have in left-hand side, we have an n. In right-hand side, we have 36 divided by 12 equal 3. Question number 8, we have 25 equal 11g plus 3. So we need to add negative 3 in left-hand side, negative 3 in right-hand side to cancel 3, positive 3. So we have plus 3 minus 3 or positive with negative cancel each other because it's equal 0 in right-hand side. In left-hand side, we have a negative 3 plus 25, so it's equal 22. We have 22 equal 11g. So 11g, it's mean 11 multiplied by g, so we need to divide it both of left hand side and right hand side by 11. So divided by 11, 11 divided by 11, so equal 1, cancel each other. On right hand side, we have 22 divided by 11 equal 2 equal G. Question number 9, 18 equal Z over 3 plus 3. As the first, we need to add negative 3 in left hand side, negative 3 in right hand side. So we have positive 3 with negative 3, cancel each other, equal 0. Left hand side, we have 18 minus 3 equal 15. So we have 15 equal Z over 3. Z over 3 means Z divided by 3. So when we have a divide, we need to multiply the left hand side and right hand side, multiply by 3 to cancel 3. So Z over 3 multiplied by 3, 3 divided by 3, so it's equal 1. So cancel 3 with 3. In left hand side, we have 3 multiplied by 15 equal 45. So Z equal 45. Question number 10, we have a 2m plus 5 equal 6. So we have a plus. The inverse operation of plus is minus. So we need to add minus 5 in left hand side, minus 5 in right hand side. So we have 2m plus 5 minus 5 equals 6 minus 5. Plus 5 and the minus 5 equal 0. Cancel each other. So 2m equals 6 minus 5 equal 1. We need to divide the 2m, it means 2 multiplied by m. So the inverse operation of multiply is divide. So we need to divide by 2 in left hand side, divided by 2 in right hand side. So 2 divided by 2, so it's equal 1, cancel each other. In left hand side, we have m equal 1 over 2. Question number 11, n plus 2.5 equals 6.5. So we have plus, so we need to add minus in left hand side and add a minus in right hand side, minus 2.5. So n plus 2.5 minus 2.5 equals 6.5 minus 2.5. So we cancel positive with negative in left hand side. Cancel 2.5 with minus 2.5 equals 0. So we have in left hand side, we have an n. In right hand side, we have 6.5 minus 2.5 equals 0. So n equal 0. Thank you guys for your attention and have a nice day.